January 25th, 2021 practice. All right, so Maddie borrowed $70 from her mother to buy a sweater. After 7 weeks of babysitting, she pays her mother back $49. What percent of the debt has Maddie paid her mother back? All right, so this 7 weeks is actually irrelevant because she borrows $70 and she paid back 49 so far. So what percent did she pay her back? So what percent did she pay her mom back? So first of all, we don't know what percent she paid. So percent is always out of 100. Now, she paid back $49 of the total $70 she owes her. So she paid $49 of the total $70 she paid her. So the part out of the whole or is over the of. All right, all we have to do is simplify now. Or solve. Simplify means solve, remember? All right, so 70 times x is 70x. 100 times 49 is 4,900. Now we can divide both sides by 70 because we need to get x by itself. Now, we have x by itself equals, well, we can cross out a 0. 490 divided by 7. 490 divided by 7. 7 goes into 49. Ooh, 7 times 7 is 49. Whoa, yeah, 7 times 7 is 49. All right, so now when we multiply that 7 times 7, you get 49, and you bring down that 0. Whoa, why'd I put 49? Bring down that 0. It cannot go into 0, so we have to put that placeholder there. 0, 0. So our answer is going to be 70%. So 70% is what she paid her mom back. Wow, that's kind of a coinky-dink. It's not always going to be just what that dollar amount is. Just like up in our last one, too. All right, so that is going to be it for our practice. Great job.